In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fallout 4 loading times. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fixing the slow loading times in Fallout 4 can be done extremely easily using a certain mod available on Access Mods. It seems like a next-gen update for the game made by Bethesda broke the loading times. So even if you have the game installed on an SSD, you have a high-end PC, you might notice that it can take up to minutes before you actually load into your save. So to fix this, all that you have to do is acquire the Load Accelerator mod for Fallout 4. So look for Load Accelerator on Google, Fallout 4, Nexus Mods, and you will be able to download the mod. Once you arrive at this page, you will have to sign into an Nexus Mods account that you can create for free, and then you can read through the instructions if you prefer. But usually, most of this can be skipped. If you truly want to make sure that this works, then go ahead and read this, but I'm just going to show you how to install it. As you can see, you just have to place the D3, D11, DLL file and the load accelerator.ini files on the folder that contains the Fallout 4 executable. So click download, and then you will receive this mod on a zip file like this. So you will have to drag this DLL and this INI file into the game's installation folder. If you don't know where it is located, if you own Fallout 4 on Steam, just right-click the game, go over to Manage, and then browse local files. You will notice that I am doing this example with Fallout 3. I apologize, I don't have Fallout 4 installed at the moment, but the process is the same. I'm only using this as an example. So once you go over to the installation folder of Fallout 4, just drag and drop these files like so, and they will sit here alongside the Fallout 4 executable, which in this example is Fallout 3, but you get the idea. Now try opening the game and seeing if the loading times are cut in half or even to some seconds. If it doesn't work, then check these settings on your specific GPU driver settings. So for NVIDIA and AMD, this is going to differ, and as long as everything here is set up properly, the loading times will be cut short. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fallout 4 loading times. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.